car ain't that cool, man.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing an exhaust clip video. I put my downpipe on. Oh yikes, that is bright. I put my downpipe on like a couple weeks ago. I have to upload a new map to my Cobb access port for my downpipe because it's CATLESS, so I have to do a new tune. It might be a revision actually, because I already had the original CATLESS downpipe tune. All right, so I had to grab my access port out of the car so I can put this new map / revision on it. And then I'll cold start the car. We'll get a cold start, and then we'll get some exhaust clips, maybe some launch control and rolling anti-lag, because I just found out I had rolling anti-lag, so that should be fun. All right, so I just uploaded the map onto the access port. Sorry I didn't show it. It's a pretty simple step. He sent it to me in an email, the file, so I just drag and drop the file to the access port manager, and then it uploads to my access port. So now I just gotta upload it to my car, or flash my ECU, that is, and then give it a good start. Let's see how it goes. All right, so it's in the gauge menu. Go up to, yikes, okay. Go up to tune, change map. He sent me the map on the 17th, so I'm going to go to the map for the August 17th. And we wait. Launch control, you know what, I'm gonna put it at 4200 this time, just to see. I can always change it. All right, and now we wait. It usually doesn't take that long, roughly around 5 or 6 minutes. So I'll just update you when it's done. All right, now I'm gonna check the progress. It's been about 3 minutes or so, but it usually moves fast sometimes. So let's see. Oh, okay, it is done, it is done, it is done. All right. Turning this key off, turning this key on, okay. Change map successful. All right, turn off 15 seconds and then start it. All right, so I gotta let it stay on for 15 seconds and then I get to start the car. Imagine starting your car at like 7 in the morning. I did that a couple times. Whenever it warms up, maybe I'll give you a snippet of the launch control, maybe. We'll see. Actually, I'm gonna have to finish this video later today. See you guys when I pick up the camera. All right, so new day. Get to finish my exhaust video. Khalil's here, he's gonna help me film it. Khalil, same guy that was in the show. So I'm gonna do a couple flybys. I'm gonna have him film it. I'm going to do just a normal pull. Then I found out like a couple weeks ago that I had rolling anti-lag. So I'm gonna do that, and I might do a pull. I don't know how. I have to be very quick because it's gonna be just right outside my neighborhood, and my house is like right next to the fence. So we'll have to see, but it should be pretty cool. The rolling anti-lag is pretty cool, and I found out, and it actually like works. So I'm excited to show you guys that, especially with the new downpipe. Another preview cold start for you guys.
man. Jairus think his car cool. His car ain't that cool, man. Hey, that's kind of fast though. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, let's be honest. Speed 3's kind of fast. I mean, they be gapping my car with some bolt-ons, but you know, Jairus don't want to race on his boost leak, so I don't know, but pretty fast. Wow, stop it! You're hurting yourself. What's up, man? Was that f***ing Batman? That was Batman. Boy, that was so fine.
Bro, my mom about to be hot.
I heard you out there, Jairus.
Alright, so those were just a few of the flybys I was telling you about. Oh, that's lit. He'll wear that.
Fancy, bro.
He'll wear that. So my CATLESS downpipe. Found that I had rolling anti-lag, so I've been doing that. Been wasting gas doing that. So that's pretty much it. Probably gonna continue the vlog. Sebastian is having a little birthday party today, so we'll probably hang out there for a little bit. But yeah, so when I leave the house, I'll pick up the camera again.
You call me on the phone, say you want me to come home. I can't wait to see the smile. You can't wait to hear the song. You should close the blinds. I'ma lock the door.
Happy birthday! We getting it from the bottle tonight? From the bottle?
From where, dude? Ain't no bottle.
Oh shit, well, never mind then. No, from the bottle.
Hell yeah, brother. I'll suck your toast for anything.
You do what?
This guy always pull up fast. I got him.
You do what?
Oh my gosh, you're still recording?
So Sebastian has the Impars 18s on his Vert Z3, and they look really good. Take a peek. Woo! Woo!
The front's got to be lower by a lot.
You won't be able to turn if you go low. That
The
low?
rears though, you can check the rears out though. The rears is where it's at, brother. Kapooey.
That's crazy. Oh, they look good though. The finish.
Yeah, I gotta redo them again. And then I didn't finish one, so one was not on. This one's on though. Take that feety. Boy thick.
That's nice.
I'm gonna rub though, for damn sure. I'm gonna rub to get my fork panel.
Oh. You didn't roll them already, or you did?
It rolled.
Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Drop a like on this video if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Shit.